Hi everyone, it's Jim Fong with the Jim Fong Group at Urban Nest Realty in Las Vegas, and today we're going to talk about how to use Zoom for video meeting calls, alright? So first thing you want to do is you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store and download the app, the Zoom app. It's called Zoom Cloud Meetings, alright? So after you download the app, you'll click and open the app, and then you can click to join a meeting if you already have one set up that you're just joining. Otherwise, you will need to sign up for a new account. You can do this by using your email address, and you will need to verify your date of birth before you can sign up. Once you do that, you can also sign up using a Google account or a Facebook account as well. All right, so either of those will work. All right, once you have signed up for an account and you open the app, you will be on the meet and chat page. All right, first thing to do, if you want to start a meeting, you will go ahead and click the orange new meeting button near the top left corner, and it'll give you an option of starting the meeting. Okay, that's when you're hosting the meeting. If you want to just join a meeting, you'd go back to the main page of the meet and chat page, and then someone that is having a Zoom meeting would have sent you some type of link that you would put in there, and that's how you would join their meeting. Okay, while you're on the video chat, you can definitely mute or choose to share or not share your video with the bottom in the bottom left corner there. And when you're done, all you have to do is go to click the end meeting at the top right corner, and that ends the meeting. All right, so pretty easy. Check it out. If you want to try it, Zoom me. All right, this is Jim Fong at the Jim Fong Group, Urban Nest Realty in Las Vegas. Thanks for watching the video.